So as an actor, you get many opportunities to endorse many brands. And I remember Varun coming to me with this offer, and he wanted me to endorse Mamaearth. And before I endorse any product, I always read the back of the pack, and I do a lot of due diligence before I even say yes. Forget the investment. Even if I had to endorse a product, there's a lot of work, there's a lot of no's that happen before the yeses. And I remember Varun giving me a whole lot of products. At that time, there weren't that many products, but those few that he gave me, those mosquito patches I remember, and the shampoos and the no-tear shampoo. And they were all paraben free and non-toxic and made safe, certified. So I think for a mom, an Indian mom, where I realized that if I needed a paraben free product, I had to really get it from abroad. This was back in the day. And for me, that really struck a chord with me, that here is a company that's really thinking about, you know, your child's skin, and it's the largest organ. And so it struck me as a mom and then an investor. So I used it on my child, and it smelled amazing, it did the job, and those mosquito patches were new for that time, and I put them everywhere. I put them even on me. And it worked, and that's how the deal happened. I said, you know what, I believe in it as a mom, and I really feel that, you know, we need something like this. And I said, I won't just be a brand ambassador, I want to invest, and let's see how we can make that happen. And he was more than happy. And I think when you're invested in a company, beyond just leveraging your name, people believe in you more, and people suddenly wake up and think that, oh, if she's invested in it, there must be something to it, you know. So I think it worked both ways because of that.
How did it sort of change you and help you evolve from a celebrity to an entrepreneur as an investor after Mamaearth happened?
It has to resonate with me. The product,